So if you've been rocking with the channel for a while, or if you just pay attention to the background of my videos, as you can see, I'm all over the place when it comes to brands. And this pickup was no exception. This is a shoe that I really like the silhouette, and you can get a lot of crazy colorways. And of course, this one is one of my favorites. You'll see why in a few. And the price was too good to pass up. Let me check the invoice real quick. So I paid $38.15, and then plus $2.16 tax. So y'all can do the math on that. Go ahead and take this down. Unwrap these joints. So you get the Reebok Club C in that Laker colorway. Clean shoe, man. Definitely dope spring, summer, fall, winter. I don't care. But like this, man, this is a clean shoe, man. Especially that Laker colorway. Or you like the Vikings, who else? LSU, you can rock LSU with this joint. Whatever you want to do. But these, for $38, like, come on, it's a no-brainer. You know what I'm saying? You got that that purple sock liner and that Chanel. I want to say it's Chanel. I know I was saying towel, but it's not towel. So it's Chanel. You got that purple Reebok on the back with the yellow hits or gold hits with the Reebok logo. Then you got the Reebok on the side, and then the tongue tag. Just like all over classic, even though it says it on the tag. It's actually a classic shoe, man. The Club C85. Definitely something that's not really popular, you know what I'm saying? But if you know how to put a fit on, or even if you just want something different, I think retail for most of these are, I think they're $80 or $85, and then they go on sale frequently. I got these from East Bay because they were on sale for $59, and then it was like an additional. It doesn't tell me, but it was an additional percentage off, so it ended up being $38. So you can definitely get a lot of these under $80. So if you haven't done so already, I would definitely try out a pair. If you have a local Reebok outlet near you, definitely go there and try it out. Try them on, or see if you like a colorway or whatever. It's worth it. I mean, for the price, you can't beat a $38 shoe, especially if something that looks halfway decent. Then you got that tan suede wrapping around the toe box. I don't know if that light is drowning it out. Then you got the aged sole. Of course, that's like a fan favorite these days. But then this leather, man. This leather is so soft, as you can see. So they're definitely comfortable. I have worn my other pair like all day, and these are definitely comfortable. Not even gonna lie to you. As far as sizing, if you have like a wide foot, I would say definitely go up half a size. I don't think a whole size would work, but that's up to your discretion. Once you try them on, you can see what works for you and what doesn't. But I'll say at least half a size, because these run a little narrow. So like wide foot people, or if you like to wear thick socks or something, go up a half size. But you should be straight. But yeah, for the price, you really can't go wrong. But yeah, let me know what you think about them in the comment section. I know the last Club C I posted went crazy out of nowhere, so shout out to y'all that's rocking with Club C's. And I got another one for you. But yeah, East Bay, I've been sitting on these like 2 weeks now, so I'm pretty sure that sale is over with. But if you want, just go ahead and go to East Bay and see if the sale's still going on. Or, it's Labor Day weekend, so they might have something else going on. So yeah, that's going to do it for this one, man. Appreciate y'all for watching.